Namaste and welcome viewers to today's video. It is the holiday season, so here is a free cross stitch pattern for you. You can pause this video and see this pattern. This is a very simple pattern. It doesn't need any graph or anything. You can just make the crosses however you want. It is scalable. So if you see closely, in this cross, one hole has been skipped over here. So if you want, you can make these crosses smaller or bigger, however you want you can make these, and it's very easy pattern. So here you can see these are the two mats over here. You see two mats. These were made by my mother. So these two mats along with this bigger piece, and see this edge design over here. It's a very nice finishing on the edge. You can see this, and see the corner. So let me show you properly. So here, see, this is how the corner has been finished very nicely. This is a very old project. I was a young kid when she made this. I used to watch her making these crosses. I remember that. So let me open up this. Yeah. So this is the pattern. There are 3 rows of design on this. It has 3 rows of design. So see, this has 3 rows of design, this bigger piece, and there are so many variations that you can do in this. So you can tag me on Instagram and show what you have done. You can change the colors of these boxes, or you can make the horizontal ones in one color, vertical ones in another color. You can change these from black and yellow to any color that you want. This is made on Edda fabric, the cross stitch fabric. So you can use different things. You can use a plastic canvas and make some mat or something. As far as the colors goes, you can use a shaded thread. It will automatically change colors. It will look beautiful. And if you want, you can take a graph paper and even make a corner out of this design. So here she has used these in vertical stripes, but you can use them in diagonal or make a frame out of this. There are so many possibilities with this. So show your creativity and tag me on Instagram. And out of all the people, whether it be 2 or 10 or 20, however many people participate in this challenge, this is a views challenge, so however of you participate, I will collect all of your entries from Instagram and make a video and post it on YouTube. So it will be a fun challenge for this holiday. Do try it out. And I'm also planning on doing art vlog, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't till now. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. In the comments you can let me know if there's anything you would like to see in the art vlog, anything special that you would like to see. So I'm pretty soon going to start art vlog, so subscribe and do give this video a thumbs up, and remember to share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.